This food is amazing! I could eat forever!
Patience, friends. Savor the taste.
Who could it be now?
Someone's at the door.
Hello, friends! Can I come in?
Of course. Join us for food.
My little friend is stuck. I can't reach it. Don't worry, we'll help.
Adventure time!
We need teamwork to reach that ledge safely.
Step 1, fast climb. Let's save our friend! Whoa! There it is! Quick!
Minnie, reach slowly. Anty, steady the rope. Look, it's learning to fly.
We did it! All together!
Best meal ever.
Adventure and food.